Learning machine learning in 2026? Forget everything you've heard. 6 months, job ready. Here's how. 4 phases, 20 seconds, let's go.
Month 1 to 2, Foundations. Learn Python, Basic Math, build 2 projects. Month 3 to 4, Core ML. Algorithms, Deep Learning, 8 projects total. Month 5, Specialize. Pick NLP, Computer Vision, or ML Ops. Go deep. Month 6, Get Hired. Portfolio, interviews, offers. Done. Now the details. Week 1 to 2, Python. Just Python. Learn variables, loops, functions. NumPy, Pandas, basic coding, skip, advanced everything, multiple languages, perfectionism, resource, automate the boring stuff, free, time 1 hour per day. Week 3-4, math, don't panic. Watch 3 blue 1 brown on YouTube. Matrices, boxes multiply, derivatives, how steep, statistics, basically middle school. 12 hours, that's it. Week 5-6, predict Titanic deaths. Dark, yes. Effective, also yes. Project 2, house prices. Bigger house equals more money. Shocking discovery. Put it on GitHub, move on. Checklist, Python, math. 2 projects, GitHub. Phase 1, done. Month 3, learn algorithms that matter. Week 1, classification. Decision trees, random forest. Project, spam filter. Week 2, regression, linear regression, XGBoost. Project, stock predictor. It'll be wrong, but you tried. Week 3, clustering, K-means. Project, customer groups. Rich people buy expensive stuff. Genius. Week 4, deep learning intro, neural networks basics. Project, handwritten digits. Month 4, CNNs, transformers, sentiment analysis. By now, you have 8 projects. Your GitHub looks legit. Month 5, the big choice. Door 1, NLP, chatbots, LLMs, RAG systems. Salary, $120K to $200K. Everyone wants this. Door 2, computer vision, self-driving cars, medical imaging. Salary, $110K to $190K. Cool factor, 100. Door 3, recommendations, Netflix-style systems. Salary, $130K to $220K. Big tech, limited roles. Door 4, ML Ops, make AI actually work. Salary, $125K to $210K. Huge shortage, free money. Door 5, AI safety. Don't let robots kill us. Salary, $100K to $180K. Future is bright, present is tough. Pick one. I'm going NLP because chatbots are hot. Now you have a working product people can use. This is your golden ticket. Month 6, get paid. Week 1-2, portfolio project. Build one project that makes recruiters go, whoa. Must have, solves real problem, is deployed, looks good, has demo. 2 weeks, make it perfect. Week 3, look professional. Resume, metrics, built X serving 5K users. LinkedIn, professional photo, post projects. GitHub, pin best 4, archive junk. Week 4, apply and interview. Apply to 100 jobs, get 15 responses, land 2 offers. Leet code, 1 hour daily. Medium problems, non-negotiable. Practice explaining projects to this duck. It doesn't judge. Leet code daily? Know your ML concepts? Can explain projects? Applied to 50+ jobs. Real talk, you don't need a PhD. Month 3, you'll want to quit. Don't. You'll feel like a fraud. Everyone does. Your portfolio matters more than degree. This actually works. People do it every day. Avoid tutorial hell. Build more, watch less. Perfectionism. Done beats perfect. Learning everything? Specialize. Worth it. Hands-on ML book, $50. Leet code premium, $159. Not worth it. 15K boot camps. 6 months. Day 1 to job offers. The secret? 2 hours. Every day. Not when you're motivated. Every single day. It's hard. Your brain will hurt. You'll want to quit. But everyone feels that way. Winners just keep going. These people did it. So can you. Stop watching. Start doing. Today, install Python, start learning, comment, day 1, check. See you at the finish line. Now go!